Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, hello, bonsoir à tous. Dans cette vidéo, je vais vous montrer comment insérer le code de Google AdSense dans votre site internet. So I'm going to show you guys how to insert a Google AdSense code in a website header. Okay, so I'm going to my website. So I'm going to my Wordpress website. This is the easy way to do it. Okay, ça c'est la façon la plus simple. So I'm going to install a plugin. I'm going to install a plugin that will help us to do it. Okay, so we're going to add a new plugin. On va installer un nouveau plugin. So we are going to add a new plugin. So just insert. See here. Let's look. On va installer ce plugin. We are going to install this plugin. Okay. So after when it's done installing, we are going to activate it. Okay. And our Google AdSense. Okay, so I'm gonna log on my Google AdSense now. Sign in. So this is my Google AdSense. Okay, so you're gonna have to come site. So this is the code we are going to paste on our website. Okay, so click copy. We copy it. So let's go back to our WordPress website. Okay, we go to setting. On va aller dans setting, dans paramètres, and you're gonna have to come here, insert, header and footer. You click here. It's the plugin we just installed. Okay, so all you're gonna have to do is to paste this code here. Okay, paste and you click save. When you're done saving it, you go back to Google AdSense. You see I have pasted the code on my website and say request review. So you click request review and you must wait until Google review your website before they approve it. Okay, so this is how you add a Google AdSense code on your website. Okay.